My favourite Italian baker is here. We're going to be making the most traditional Sicilian style cake. What's it called, Dan?
It's called Cassata Siciliana.
Oh, it is such a striking standout type of cake because I know the cake is, we've got some sponge and some ricotta, but it's the way it's decorated.
Oh, it's over the top. And of course I had to add my twist as well.
Of course, yes, absolutely. So let's start with the butter cake.
Can you please, Justine, cream the butter with the sugar for now?
Okay, the whole
We put all of that.
whole lot of unsalted butter.
Oh yes, unsalted butter with some caster sugar, and then we add a tiny bit of vanilla just to give an extra flavor.
Lovely.
Look at that, easy.
And about a teaspoon of vanilla extract?
A teaspoon, 2 tablespoons. Honestly, with vanilla, I never measure it. I just put as much as I want because I love vanilla. Now, let's cream everything together for like a minute or two. And in the meantime, I'm going to crack some eggs that I'm going to pass.
Okay.
And now, Justine, can you add 1 egg at a time? And then keep mixing. And now we're going to add half of the flour with the milk. We're going to mix it for a couple of minutes and then add the rest.
Okay. And then half
Let's
the
add
milk.
the milk.
And why do we do half-half?
So we do half-half, so in this way, all the dry ingredients, they will be incorporated uniformly and the butter will be perfect. Oh, look at that, beautiful, nice and uniform.
Some lovely batter, isn't it?
Oh my gosh, yes.
And it's a lot.
Yes, it's a lot because the cake is giant, but we're going to divide the butter into these 2 tins that are already made before. So let's put half of that and then half here, and we're going to bake it at 160 fan force for 40-45 minutes until it's nice and cooked.
I hope I've made them even for you.
Oh,
you wouldn't want an uneven
you
cassata.
nailed it.
Okay, good. I'll give you
Good
that.
job.
To
Oh,
spread
thank
out.
you. And I'm going to spread it out so at least it's nice and uniform.
It looks like it's quite a skinny little cake, but because they're self-raising flour, they are going to lift significantly.
It's going to be big.
Yeah.
And I always love to lick the spoon because I think that's the best part.
Well, you do that, and I'll pop them in the oven.
Okay, you do in the oven, and I'll try the butter. Okay, now the cakes are baking, so let's make the filling.
Okay.
Fillings is actually very easy. We have some sugar here. I'm going to put some ricotta in there. Oops.
And this is what makes the cassata. I mean, apart from all the lovely toppings, but that delicious ricotta in the centre.
Oh, creamy, silky, zesty. I'm going to put all the ricotta because, you know, in Italy we eat a lot of ricotta.
Yeah, delicious.
Okay, now I have the ricotta with the sugar. I'm going to add some chocolate, some peeled fruits. Like we have a mix of lemon and oranges.
Yeah.
Then mix it, and in the meantime, can you please put some zest for me, please? I decided to put lemon, but people, they can usually put just orange as well.
Very nice. And I guess we just pop this into the fridge and it just chills until our cakes are ready.
Exactly. Or if you want, you can just eat it.
No way! Dan, we've got to wait. Patient.
I don't have patience.
All right, let's have a little taste.
It's already to taste. Tiny bit. Yes.
No more. All right, our butter cakes have come out of the oven. They've cooled completely. And now for the intricate part.
And now we're going to slice them. I have a cake slicer here, just to make sure the slices, they are nice and flat. If you don't have it, just take a serrated knife.
Okay.
It's fine.
There we go.
Oh, look at that. It's beautiful.
Such
nice
a great
color,
cake.
right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
This is the best part. You literally just put it there. You just slice it.
Wow.
And just like that, ta-ta, look at this, it's so flat.
I need to invest in one of these.
Yeah, you need it.
That makes life so much easier.
Oh, smell the vanilla.
So good.
Delicious.
Yeah.
Okay, let's slice another cake.
Okay. Oh, I get this. So you just make sure that you want everything to be as flat as possible for the cake. Yep.
Yeah, because you don't want this cake crooked, otherwise it doesn't look right.
No will know.
Oh, yes.
Actually, if I've got any leftover cake like this, I would freeze it and make a trifle.
Exactly. Oh my gosh. That's
Really
good.
delicious. Yeah,
I love
because
it.
it freezes quite well and then thaws nicely too.
So, And done. Okay, we have the 4 slices here, and now we are going to trim a little bit the edges because I made earlier this beautiful tin covered with some marzipan, green marzipan.
So what you did with this is you kneaded the marzipan and some green colouring until it's really soft, and then cut it out just as a collar for our cake tin.
Just to keep everything together.
Yeah.
And now we're going to trim the cake. I found this beautiful bowl, so we're going to put on top of it. I have a knife, and literally I'm going to remove the edges because we don't need them. And after that, we are going to put the first layer of cake inside the tin.
Oh, this is a really good tip to do it like this, as opposed to sort of cutting and not knowing exactly how to do it. I'll get that out of your way.
Thank you. And then we are going to put the first layer inside the cake. Look, perfect.
Oh, like a glove.
Like, nailed it. And now, to make it a little bit more boozy, I have some maraschino here that I'm going to brush. Maraschino is like a cherry liqueur.
Can I have a taste of that?
Yeah, of course you can. Delicious, right?
That's delicious, yeah.
And next step will be we put the ricotta filling, but we put just half of it.
Oh, like, so quite a lot.
Yeah, it's quite a lot. So just that, and then that's, yeah, perfect. And now you just put roughly, you just cover the first layer of cake. And now we're going to put another layer of cake, then ricotta, and then cake. That's it.
Very good. All right.
Okay, now the cake has been in the fridge for a couple of hours, and now we're going to unmold it.
Okay. Could I do this ahead, like a day ahead of time?
Oh, much better. So you can do it the day before, and then so it will be nice and firm, and it will be easy to unmold it.
Okay, great.
And while I'm doing this, Justine, could you please mix the water in the icing sugar to make the glaze for me, please?
Sure can.
Okay, that's the tricky part.
Good luck.
Oh. Okay, now let's cross your fingers.
He's hiding under the bench, you see, because he's nervous.
Okay, it's coming slowly. This is a very slow process. Don't rush it. But you know what? I'm actually not patient. I'm always like, I need to be rushed. Ooh, yes.
Da-da-da-da.
Da-da-da-da! We did it!
I'll take that off for you.
Let's remove that. Oh my God, look at that. How beautiful is this? I mean, it's still naked, but...
Not for long.
Not for long. So, we are going to put the glaze just on top of it, just to cover the cake. And then with the help of the spatula, I'm going to spread it evenly. I'll give this one to you. And then literally just be very gentle. Just cover all of it. And now the best part, we are going to decorate it with some glacé fruit.
Oh, stunning.
I have here a bit of pineapple, oranges, cherry, and literally just covering it and make it look like a queen.
Okay, oh, a queen cake, I like that.
Add some tweezers because otherwise your hand will get sticky.
You're a professional.
Oops.
Okay.
Let's just put this one in the middle because I want to make it look like it's a sun.
Yeah, okay.
So let's add this red cherry in the middle.
Cute.
Slice oranges. Perfect.
Wow. So I guess this is where you just take your time and just fill in the details and be creative with how you're dressing your cassata. Wow, Dan, I thought it was beautiful when you just placed that first pineapple, but then you've added all the other fruits and then this decoration, it just elevates it so much. It's so pretty.
I'm glad you like it. It looks like it's definitely is an over-the-top cake, very colorful, very Italian.
Very Italian, exactly.
And now, as you know, I love to add one special ingredient. Glitter!
He loves his glitter. Okay, you can put some glitter on it.
Can I do it?
Go for it.
Yes! Look at that! This is Daniel. This is me.
Daniel's cassata. That is I guess it's time to party, right?
Exactly.
When you make a cassata, you know that it's certainly a celebration. When do you eat cassata in Italy?
Usually you eat cassata for Easter or for some big celebration like a 50th, 60th.
Yeah.
Or if it's for me, every day.
Oh my gosh, Daniel, I just think that is an absolute treat. A delicious buttercream cake. There's some ricotta in there. It is simply a work of art with a little bit of Danny Sparkle. Thank you so much.
Thank you.